Today, we're diving into the VEX V5 robotics platform. And let's be clear, this is not a toy. We're talking about a super powerful but really accessible system that's literally designed it to be a gateway into the world of science, technology, engineering, and math.
So let me just ask you this. What if you could actually program a robot in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee? I know, it sounds kind of out there, right? But the VEX V5 system is built to make that exact thing happen. So let's see how.
Okay, look at this. These are the 4 simple steps from the VEX library for your first program. You just launch the software, drag one block over, change one single word, and hit run. And what happens? The word VEX pops up on the robot's screen. It is that simple. And just like that, you did it. You've officially programmed a robot. You see, this is the whole idea behind the platform, to completely tear down that initial wall of complexity and give you that awesome feeling of success right away. So, what's the secret sauce? What makes this so easy and powerful at the same time? Well, to figure that out, we gotta look at the hardware. Let's open up the toolbox and see what makes the VEX V5 system tick. So here it is, the VEX V5 Clawbot. It's a pretty standard starter robot, but you can immediately see a huge difference from other kits out there. Forget about flimsy plastic. We're talking about sturdy metal parts, aluminum and steel, that let you build tough, creative robots that can actually take a beating. And at the very heart of the whole thing is this, the V5 robot brain. You can think of it as the command center. It's got a seriously powerful processor, a full-color touchscreen, and 21 smart ports. Now, these aren't just regular ports. They automatically know what you've plugged into them. That makes building and coding so much simpler. No more guesswork. It just works. And that smart design is everywhere in this system. The V5 smart motors aren't just dumb spinners. They're constantly reporting back data on their position, their speed, even their temperature. And the sensors are incredible, with things like laser distance sensors and gyroscopes. The whole system is in this constant conversation with itself, giving you feedback that lets you build way smarter, more precise robots. This diagram really shows you how it all clicks together. The brain is the hub. It's sending out commands to the motors, but it's also getting a constant stream of information back from those motors and all the sensors. It creates this feedback loop that's key to having such intelligent control over what the robot is doing. And that's really the main point here. This is a huge leap forward. You know, compared to older kits, VEX U5 gives you that durable metal construction, those smart motors that talk back to you, and a processor that's a whopping 15 times faster. We're not just iterating here. We're moving from simple machines into a whole new world of sophisticated robotics. Okay, so the hardware is amazing, but what does that actually mean for a student in a classroom? Let's shift gears and head to the training ground to see how you actually use all this stuff, starting with that classic Clawbot. The whole learning path is designed to get you going fast and keep you from getting frustrated. Students can start with that pre-designed Clawbot and use templates right inside the software. This means you get to the fun part, the building and coding, almost immediately. And programming a real action is just as easy. So this example is from one of the VEX STEM labs. You set a quick timeout so the motor doesn't burn out. Then you just use these simple blocks to tell it exactly what to do. Spin forward 60 degrees, the claw opens. Spin back 30 degrees, it closes a bit. It's hands-on, it's logical, and you see the results instantly. So once you've gotten the basics down, where do you go from there? Well, welcome to the arena. Now we're going to move from the classroom into the incredible world of robotics competitions, where all these skills get put to the ultimate test. And this is not some small local thing. VEX competitions are a massive global phenomenon. We are talking over 8,500 teams from more than 45 countries, all designing, building, and competing with their robots every single year. It's huge. So this brings up a really interesting debate that you see all the time in the VEX community. For a brand new team, maybe some 6th graders, is that basic Clawbot they built from the instructions good enough to take to a real competition? On one side of the argument, you have people who say the real learning comes from the struggle. This user, Ashwin_Gupta, makes the case that you actually learn more from building your own custom robot that completely fails than you do from just using a kit. It's the process of engineering, of failing and trying again, that really matters. But then you've got this counter-argument, and it's a powerful one. This user, KMMON, says that for a new team, the most important thing is just to show up and compete. It's about experiencing the event, learning strategy, and being part of the community. The type of robot you bring doesn't matter nearly as much as just being there.
And this quote from Gear Geeks, wow, it just really hits home. They're telling a story about a new team with just a simple Clawbot that managed to win a couple of matches. And that look on the kids' faces? Priceless. At that moment, they were hooked. And at the end of the day, isn't that what it's all about? Getting kids fired up about this stuff?
That inspiration is amazing, but is there any actual data to back this all up? Let's take a look at the real, measurable impact, because this is about more than just fun and games. It's about real educational results.
And here it is, the hard data. This chart comes from a scientific paper and it compares learning gains. The first bar there is the VEX V5 group. They showed nearly double the improvement on STEM tests compared to the other group using simpler kits. That's a massive difference in how much they learned.
And it wasn't just test scores. The same study looked at engagement. And again, the results are crystal clear. The students using the VEX V5 system said they were way more interested and motivated. So the better tech doesn't just teach better, it keeps students more invested and excited to learn. So why does this work so well? Well, it all comes down to this idea, this learning cycle. You build something, you test it out, you stop and think about what happened, and then you use that to make it better. It's this constant loop of building, testing, thinking, and improving. It's the fundamental cycle of all problem solving.
And going through that loop again and again is what builds the skills that really matter in the real world. Working as a team, thinking critically, and solving problems by trying, failing, and trying again. The robot isn't the point. It's the tool you use to learn the real lesson. Which brings us to a final, pretty exciting thought. Platforms like VEX V5 are giving students a real, hands-on way to learn these deep principles of engineering and teamwork. So if this is the kind of thinking they can apply to a robot in a classroom today, it leaves us with one heck of a question. What problems are they going to solve tomorrow?